Here we are in the experiments section. We see two experiments. The first is the experiment for the AutoML, and the second is for the hyperdrive experiment. This is the run of the AutoML experiment. And here is the run for the hyperdrive experiment. Now we are going to see the models section. The best one is the best model for the AutoML, and the third one for the hyperdrive. This model is already deployed. You can see the ACI service here. The endpoint has a deployment state healthy. We can see also the REST endpoint URL, the Swagger URI, and the applications insights URL. In the application insights URL, we can see the failed requests, the server response time, the server requests, and the availability. So now we are going to see the ACI service, the endpoint, consume it in action. We go to the notebooks, back to the notebooks. We're going to see the endpoint.py script. Here we have in the JSON two cases of data of patients. We have set also the scoring URI and the key, as you can see here. We got it from the REST endpoint ACI service. From here we can run the endpoint.py script in order to send the requests with the JSON and take the response true and true for both of the cases. The true corresponds to the death event, and here we can see also the logs of the service. Now, if we go back to the application insights URL, we can see we have the server requests